Welcome to another trying new makeup video where we try new makeup. These are recent launches that I've been testing recently. Saie, this is a liquid bronzer. We have this blush, the Beautiful Skin Island Glow Lip and Cheek blush from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm excited to continue playing with the Patrick Ta highlighter, the new NARS lipstick. I'm a little bummed out about this one. I'll tell you why when we get to that. So excited about this Eldridge mascara because I think it's going to be exactly what I want in an everyday mascara formula. Let's get started. I already have foundation and concealer on, so I'm ready to put on the bronzer. I have it in the shade Spritz. It is quite pigmented, so I'm gonna put it in the back of my hand first and pick it up with the brush from here. This shape is probably too deep for me, so I'm just gonna... What I like is that it's giving me coverage, so that is nice, especially on my cheeks where a lot of us tend to have hyperpigmentation, discoloration. So I like that I need more. I like that it gives coverage, but it's not the easiest to throw on. It requires that you actually pay attention when you blend. So if you are like me and you are in a hurry doing your makeup in the morning, sometimes you might miss some spots that need more blending. But as I say that, this actually blended out very quickly and easily, nicely. This is before and this is after. Big difference. You know what? This is not too dark for me. I think it's just right. It's not too orange. So yeah, that's what I like, that it's not too orange. It gives you nice coverage and it's not hard to work with. This formula is not brand new to Charlotte Tilbury. This is a shade that I have. It's called Beach Peach Glow and it's a warm coral rose. Now the whole vibe of this is kind of being on vacation at the beach, sunset, glowy skin. That's what they're going for. This is not a brand new formula. They had these two shades. I think it was like 3 years ago that they launched them, the bottom two. And then now we have 5 new shades. Beautiful, beautiful colors, but this one was my favorite, and you're gonna see how gorgeous it is. What are the claims? A reminder here of the claims. This is not claiming to be long lasting, okay? This is a balm. In a nutshell, this is what they're going for. A back from the beach radiance. That's what these new shades are going for. Let's put it on, shall we? And this is a MAC 168 brush, which I love, but it's almost $40. So I've been on the hunt for, I think I grabbed a little bit too much. I've been on the hunt for another more affordable brush that is as good as this one for cream products. I really like the application. I like that it doesn't have a huge head. I like the bristles, the stiffness of the bristles. It just works really nicely for cream products. The internet suggested 3 brushes. These brushes that are supposedly very similar to the MAC brush that I really like. Sigma F40. I disagree with people in the internet because even though this is a very nice brush, I wouldn't say that this is really that similar. And then you have this one from e.l.f. is okay. The one that is the most similar to MAC is this one from Morphe, the M405. The shape is very similar. The size of the heads is also very similar. And the bristles themselves, the stiffness seems to be very similar as well. If you're looking for something more affordable than the MAC 168, I would recommend you check out the Morphe 405. Anyway, back to this blush, okay? Check out this peach color. It really does look like I just came back from the beach, doesn't it? for that effect to look more realistic, I'm bringing it more towards the nose. I'm gonna build it up just a touch. You see how pretty that is? So before and after. It's also not overly sticky. It is a balm. Expect that it is going to be somewhat sticky. You see how emollient it is? Out of all the shades, even actually the darkest one, I think it's Sunset Bronze. Yes, Sunset Bronze, even this one looked really nice on as well. Look at that, wow. So you see how it added this kind of warmth? Let's put it on the eyes too, because this is a multi-purpose product. You can even put it on the lips. And look at that. For a monochromatic look. Let's see if it's going to crease, because when I've tried it on my eyes previously, I used a very small amount. And I kind of went to town this time. You know, I really wanted to put on this powder highlight in the shade Honey from Patrick Ta. I wanted to keep playing with the powder. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna put it on. We'll put it on top of the balm and see how the balm plays with it. Why not? Let me top it off somewhere. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's going on nicely. It's giving me that more of that bronze highlight on top of the peach. Do I like it? And I'm talking about just like shade wise. Yeah, I think I like it. But what I'm interested in too is seeing if the powder sits okay on top of the balm, and I think it does. Yeah, let's do the other side. You know, it plays nice on top of the balm, but I wouldn't use it. I don't think. I think the balm is already giving us enough dewy glow. That adding the powder. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. That's pretty. So far, everything is a success. I do want to kind of deepen the outer V. And I have the Denison Myricks Groundwork palette. I'm just gonna get a brown from there. And you know what? It is actually creasing. I do not recommend you use it on your eyes. But to be fair, it claims to work well for the lips and cheeks. It doesn't talk about the eyes. So I put on some lip liner, some eyeliner, and it's slipping and sliding. I'm not gonna remove it, but know that just keep it on your lips and on your cheeks. Don't put it on your eyes unless this is the only thing that you're gonna wear on your eyes. Actually, no, because it creases. No, never mind. Let's see what it looks like on the lips. This is what it looks like, just easy, no lip liner. Again, this is supposed to be a very, you know, I just got back from the beach, or I'm at the beach on vacation, and you pull this out from your beach bag and just very quickly tapped it on your lips. Now, sadly, the NARS, the new NARS lipstick. Let me show you. I was so excited to get it. Look at this packaging. It claims to be a long wearing satin lipstick. It's supposed to be comfortable yet long wearing. This comes in 36 shades. It was pretty difficult to pick which one I wanted. I got mine in the shade Body Heat. I love that it has a 24-month shelf life once it's open. And look at the magnetic cap. Feels Luxe Body Heat. This is just the shade that I have. I absolutely loved it here on the product image. It looked very pretty. You're gonna see how it goes on my lips. I was not a fan looking for a lip liner. I have this one from Huda Beauty in the shade Terracotta. That's what it looks like, very terracotta. Way too much though. You know what? Actually, it does look a lot like the website. Why didn't I like it the first time I tried it? It looked very orange to me the first time I tried it on. It's pretty dead on in real life compared to the website. Regarding the formula, it doesn't feel drying. And nowadays, I think that a lot of brands do a fantastic job with their long wearing formulas. Just because they claim to be long wearing doesn't mean that they're gonna be drying. My eyeliner, everything is smearing. Since I put it on top of the balm, of course. The formula is very, very promising. Now let's move on to mascara. If you were to ask me what's your favorite everyday mascara, I like my lashes to look kind of soft and separated. I'm not looking for them to be super thick necessarily, or even length is nice, but more than anything, I want them to be defined without looking spidery nor crunchy. This is a one from Lisa Eldridge, and this is a mascara. It's called the Kitten Lash Mascara. This is what's important here. It's supposed to lift and define for fluffy, fanned out lashes, and that's exactly what I want for an everyday lash. Look at these lashes right here. You see how it's not like you can see super thick lashes. I love how she described it, fluffy. That's what I want, the fluffiness. So here you have the before on the left and the after. I love the effect. This is the applicator. Look at those bristles. They're not swimming in product, and see how pointy they are. That's what's going to separate your lashes. Let's take a look at the lashes first. Just gonna get, ooh, yeah, that's what I'm finding incredible. That even just taking it out of the tube, it's not depositing too much product. I love it when you're able to get to the inner lash without making a mess. And this one is letting me get in there. And also, ooh, and I can get the outermost lashes without a problem. I'm really liking this. It looks very effortless. I'm also getting a good amount of lift. It is not cheap. Yeah, $36. I mean, this is a high-end brand. To me, it's worth the money. We'll see how the formula fares, in a few weeks' time. I am hoping that it always applies like this, where my lashes just look soft and fluffy. I absolutely love this. All right, let's recap. Saie bronzer. Yes, this is a yes from me. I really like the shade, the finish. It doesn't feel sticky. The blush, loving this shade. Remember, it is balmy. It'll give you this beautiful glowy look. The highlighter, I wanted to see how the powder performed on top of this balm, and it gets along with it perfectly. It's not breaking anything apart. Did I leave a little fingerprint mark? Probably. So if you are looking for yet another blush, specifically a blush that gives you a dewy look, that is more of a balm, you don't mind that, it's gonna be sticky, you might enjoy this formula. I like it. I'm glad that I bought it. So excited about a mascara. I was not expecting this. Which product am I the most excited about? I am really loving the NARS packaging, and I'm liking how it feels. Also loving the Warm Peachy Rose. But The product that surprised me the most was this mascara. I don't have anything like this. So I'm thrilled. And that wraps up this video. I'll see you next time.